This is Citi Premier card, and this is Chase Sapphire Preferred. And these are two of the best beginner travel credit card in my opinion. And if you are trying to decide between these two, then this video is right for you. We are going to compare this in 6 different categories and ultimately decide which card might be right for you. And at the end of the video, I will provide my personal experience with both cards and tell you which one I personally preferred. Let's get started. Welcome offer. Let's start with the Citi Premier. As of May 2022, this card has welcome offer of 60,000 thank you points after you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. The value of this at 1 cent per point would be $600. Right now, the Chase Sapphire Preferred has the elevated welcome offer of 80,000 ultimate reward points after you spend the same $4,000 in the first 3 months. The value for this at 1 cent per point would be $800. The winner for this category is Chase Sapphire Preferred. Even if both of them had the exact same welcome offer. For example, I personally got same 80,000 thank you points welcome offer from Citi Premier and 80,000 ultimate reward points from Chase Sapphire Preferred. CSP would still win because even though both cards have the same amounts of points, Chase Sapphire Preferred just makes it easier for you to get 25% more value for your points if you redeem these points through Chase's travel portal. So 80,000 points at 1.25 cents per point would be $1,000, while 80,000 thank you points, it's still $800 at 1 cent per point. So once again, the winner is Chase Sapphire Preferred. Moving on to points earning categories. Citi Premier earns 3x on restaurant, supermarket, gas station, air travel, and hotels, and 1% on all other purchases. Chase Sapphire Preferred earns 5x on travel purchased through the Chase's travel portal, 3x on restaurant, online grocery, and select streaming services. It also earns 2x on other travel purchases not booked through the Chase's travel portal, and as always 1x on all other purchases. Now the winner here is easily Citi Premier card. Why? Because Chase is just weirdly restrictive on these categories. 3x on online grocery? Like come on, just make it grocery already. Besides, Citi Premier has 3x on gas station. That's an automatically win in my book. Have you seen the gas prices lately? It's insane. But seriously, Citi Premier just has better day-to-day spend categories with no limitations or restrictions, which makes this card a clear winner in my opinion. Moving on to points redemption. There are a couple ways to redeem thank you points earned from Citi Premier card. There is cashback, direct deposit, shop with points, gift card, and travel via the Citi thank you portal. All of this will give you 1 cent per point. There is also an option to transfer your points to Citi transfer partners and potentially earn 2x or more cents per points, but this will require some research and planning. For the Sapphire Preferred, you also have multiple options to redeem your ultimate reward points. There is cashback at 1 cent per point, pay yourself back, and travel via the Chase's travel portal for 1.25 cents per point. And similar to Citi, Chase also has its own transfer partners. You can transfer your points to earn 2x or more value, but this will also require you to put a little bit of effort to get the maximum value. Chase points are much simpler to redeem to get more value. So Chase Sapphire Preferred is our winner. Moving on to transfer partners. Now, as I mentioned before, both Citi and Chase have airlines and hotel transfer partners that you can transfer your points at 1-to-1 rate. These are Citi partners and these are Chase's transfer partners. Now, I don't think there is a clear winner here because it all depends on your personal preference and sometimes it depends on your research and timing. So it's a tie. Moving on to credits and benefits. Okay, let's talk about credit first. For Citi Premier, it has $100 off a single hotel stay of $500 or more, excluding taxes and fees when booked through thankyou.com. And for Chase Sapphire Preferred, it has $50 in statement credits for hotel stays purchased through Chase's Ultimate Reward portal. I'm going to talk more about them later, but for now, let's talk about benefits. Citi Premier has no foreign transaction, access to transfer partners, and it also has Citi Entertainment. Now, over to the Chase Sapphire Preferred. It also has no foreign transaction fees, access to transfer partners, and it also gives you bonus 10% of your total spend from previous year, each anniversary year. Now this means if you spent $25,000 on purchases, you'll get 2,500 bonus points. Not gonna lie, this is another extremely close one. For the credit, $100 hotel credit sounds great. Sure, Citi has some limitations, but if you are able to meet those requirements and stay at a hotel at least once a year, that would drop your effective annual fee from $95 to -$5. As for Chase, even though it only has $50 hotel credit, it makes up by not having any limitations. If you are able to use this credit, your effective annual fee will go down from $95 to $45. Keep in mind, you will only be able to use this credit once a year for both cards. Over to the benefit side, Citi Premier has Citi Entertainment. This can get you discounted tickets on live entertainments, which some people can easily take advantage of. Sapphire Preferred has a unique benefit. 10% back can be very beneficial if you spend a lot of money on this card. Once again, it's a tough call, so I'm gonna call this a tie as well. Now, let's move on to the next category, insurance and protection. I'm not gonna lie, we don't have to spend long on this one because Chase Sapphire Preferred easily wins this one. It has all these insurances and protection. You can pause to read more. Meanwhile, Citi Premier has none. So, tally up the points. Citi Premier has 2 points, while Chase Sapphire Preferred managed to get 4 points. So Chase Sapphire Preferred is a clear winner of this battle. However, not everyone is the same. We all have different situations. So let me tell you which credit card might be right for you. You should get the Citi Premier card if you value those points earning categories, mainly the gas station, don't really travel that often, and don't really need those insurance and protection. On the other hand, you should get Chase Sapphire Preferred if you want simple redemption and overall credit value for your points, and you value those protections and insurances. Finally, now let me tell you about my experience with both of these cards. Okay, here's the thing. In my opinion, there is a value in getting both of these cards. That's exactly why I have both. Hear me out. Yes, they both have $95 annual fee, but both of them are excellent mid-tier credit cards. They both offer an amazing value in the first year. They both have the potential to earn even more points if you combine them with no annual fee credit cards to make a Citi or Chase trifecta. Also, both of these cards have a downgrade path to a no annual fee credit card in the second year. So if you're not getting enough value, you can simply downgrade them, no problem. Having said that, if you were to tell me to pick only one, I would probably go with the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Not because it won the battle, but mainly because it has excellent customer service, ability to combine all of your UR points to one card and get 25% more value, and most importantly, Chase Sapphire Preferred is a metal card, while the Citi Premier is a plastic. I mean, come on, I am paying $95 for this cheap plastic. It should at least sound like this when I drop it. With all that being said, let me know which card would you go for and why. If you want to learn more about either of this card, click on the screen right now to learn more. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.